Hey, today I will show you how to make a virtual environment on Linux. Here I have code that will display the version of the imported pandas library, that I don't have it installed yet. These are my libraries installed globally. Make sure you have Python installed. Then type python -m venv and name. I call it just my-env. Now activate the environment with source and path to activation file. Now you are in a virtual environment and you can install what you want. As you can see, after installation, I have only base libraries and pandas. If you have still underlined libraries in your code, you need to point vscode to your environment interpreter. Follow me. Now everything should work. When you are done, you can deactivate the environment. And that's it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe.